It's useless to try and fight against me. Now, to KO 10 times 20!
Time for what DV Garage calls a reset, and much better. As you can see, there's still a lot of like the old carpet left, so I'm gonna use a torch and burn it off, as much of it off as I can. Rub it with a wire brush, and that'll probably do it as far as abrasion, and then see how it goes for painting. That worked all right. I think I'm going to vacuum and then do it a couple more times off camera. You get the idea. Rinse and repeat the whole interior until there's no fuzz everywhere. And that's probably as clean as I'm gonna get it. So I know what you're thinking. Overspray. There's gonna be a lot of it. Don't worry about it. This car's gonna get a detail. Everything that's still in the car that I didn't take out is because it was too brittle to take out, and I didn't want to risk removing it and destroying it. So yeah, also, don't worry about overspray. I'm gonna be very careful with the cans, and it's gonna get a detail to get all the overspray off, just to let you know. So bear with me. So it's the next day. It's all cured up nicely. Didn't come out that great, but it's definitely better than what it was before. I gotta unmask it and start putting stuff together and clean up the overspray. Time to clean all these parts one at a time, and then I'll decide which one should be painted or whatever. We'll go from there. But first, clean them. Always, first thing to anything, clean it. Oh shoot, it's in a low-tay, man. I think I gotta go do this. Thank you, sir. Glorious day. Is what came in the car. It was like pretty much destroyed. The one on the left came out from the part out Supra, so fortunately I have that. That's gonna make the interior look a lot more complete. The camera with inboard stabilization. Until then, sorry for the shake cam. It's also time for seats. These are the seats that came out of the Supra that I parted out. These ones are in pretty good condition, minus a little bit of ripping and stuff. And I think that's a cigarette burn, I don't know. But overall, they're in a way better condition than what came out of the car. But the other set, those are better. And the back seats, the bottom, that's done. I can't save that. But this one is in pretty good condition. It just needs a good clean and to be dyed black. Unfortunately, this is the top part of the seat for the back seat of the coupe. They're different from the hatch. What's different is where it latches. On the hatch ones, the latch is on the side. I can't use these. Problem is, you can see the problem. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna dye them all black, flat black. See how that goes? What I'm gonna do is, as I paint, scrub it so it gets all sides of the little velvet hairs and it keeps it loose as I'm doing it. But before the seats go in, I gotta do something about this. This is not the best solution, but going with the theme that I'm trying to make this a blank slate for somebody else and they can undo anything that I do, I'm gonna put grip tape there. It's not perfect, and honestly, Honestly, it doesn't look that great, but it'll do the job. And it looks better than that fuzzy, whatever the hell that was. Note to self, find a way to hang stuff so you can paint it in the future. If you're cringing right now, hit the like button.
Open eyes, I've been watching. Looking back in the past, I do it often. Calm the nerves, I'm a passenger when I should be driving. Second guess my every step.
Damn it. Beach 4 after. So the interior is done for now. There's some things I still want to clean up. For the most part, this is much better and I can actually be in there. The main thing is to try to keep this a blank slate so that the next owner can actually enjoy the car and make it their own. But yeah, so far so good. From here, get it running, make it look good, send it on its way. Arts and crafts project, not restoration.
Would it help if I pushed it?